I want to take you now to Bengal because Cyclone Remal has made the landfall. It's a severe cyclonic storm, Remal, which has made the landfall in Bengal and in that belt last night. That has weakened, however, its eventual power and wind speed as well. This was between Bangladesh's Khepupara and Bengal Sagar Island on Sunday midnight when the cyclone made a landfall. As per the Met Department, extremely heavy rainfall can be predicted in the coastal areas in the belt of Bengal and North Odisha. Remal is the first pre-monsoon cyclone this time in the season. So there have been precautionary measures already. 1 lakh people were shifted to secure shelters as is protocol. 14 NDRF teams have been deployed in South Bengal. Prime Minister Modi chaired a key meeting and reviewed preparedness. For now, assessment will be on about the damage on the ground.
Cyclone Remal is almost over, but wind speed is still blowing at around 80 to 90 kilometers per hour in South 24 Pargana. We are at Bokhali and this is the condition of sea beach at present. You can see the sands are on the roads at present because of the wind, and wind is blowing at a speed of more than 50 kilometers per hour for the last 9 to 10 hours. And right now the top speed according to Met Department is around 110 kilometer gusting, and the top speed which it has crossed the West Bengal and landed in Bangladesh was around 135 gusting. So it had a little impact in West Bengal, especially in South 24 Pargana area. This is the Sundarban area where a lot of big trees have uprooted in the area. According to the state administration, they were alert all the night, but the main thing, the fortunate thing is that the loss of lives are restricted this time. So far we have not received any news of any loss of life. So we are hoping that the current situation will also pass. IMD said that the tail will move. It will take some time, but it will pass over, and the main cyclone has already crossed this area, the Sundarban area of West Bengal. With camera person Tapush Bahari, this is Anupam Mishra for India Today in Bokhali.
कुछ जगह पे जो है हमें मिल रहा है कि कुछ जगह पे ट्री अपरूटिंग हुआ है, तो जहाँ पे ट्री अपरूटिंग हुआ है वहाँ पे हम लोगों का कोलकाता म्यूनिसिपैलिटी का टीम, कोलकाता पुलिस का, डिजास्टर मैनेजमेंट का टीम वो आके काम कर रहा है. जल्द से जल्द ये जो ट्रीज जो अपरूटेड हुआ है उनको काट के उनको साइड किया जाएगा ताकि रास्ता खोल सके. सुबह तक आई थिंक सिचुएशन विल बी ओके. ना देखिए, प्रशासन की तरफ से जो है पुलिस का अभी ये साइक्लोन को लेके स्पेशल यूनिफाइड कंट्रोल रूम पूरा रात मॉनिटर कर रहा है. म्यूनिसिपैलिटी का कंट्रोल रूम दैट इज आल्सो बीइंग ओपन फॉर द एंटायर टाइम ड्यूरेशन ऑफ द साइक्लोन.
I want to bring in India Today's Ritik Mondal. He's in East Mednipur right now. And remember, India Today's colleagues on the ground have been not just telling you about the election, but also this time with the cyclone through the night and this morning as well. Ritik, has the landfall happened in Bengal as well in parts? What is the situation presently? What is the morning looking like in Bengal?
Well, definitely. Good morning, Pooja. The landfall has made a severe cyclone Remal made its landfall in between Bangladesh, Khepupara and West Bengal, Sagar Island sometime between 11 last night, and causing a huge impact in parts of Bengal, particularly in Kolkata and South 24 Pargana. What we are given to understand, this particular cyclone, ended up, this huge disruption of railway connectivity between Shialda and the South 24 Pargana. And what we are given to understand that the entire suburban railway communication has been cut off due to this, cyclone, and of course causing inundating several places of South 24 Parganas, be it Bokhali or Kakdeep, and of course largely the uprooting of trees have been reported in largely in parts of Kolkata, and as Met Department has predicted over here, it will definitely bring a huge rainfall in parts of Kolkata and South Chobbish Pargana, as well as in the East Midnapur. We are currently at Digha Sea coast. We can see. I would request my camera person to pan his camera and show what is the exactly situation over here. We can also see that weather activities still continue to happen, and sometimes it's pouring rain over here. I know people are being instructed not to go into the sea, but what we expected that this kind of heavy rainfall will continue in parts of Bengal till this evening. What exactly the Met Department has predicted, but as precautionary measures, there had been several adequate,
Ritik, keep telling us about what the assessment will be, and specifically now there will be a review what exactly unfolded in Bengal. For now, it looks like there has been devastation and damage, but no loss of life for now. Ritik, thank you very much for now.